How to remove items from cart on Amazon. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can remove items from your cart on Amazon. In order to do so, first of all, you'll need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now in the search bar of the browser, type in amazon.com. This is the official URL of Amazon. Once after entering the URL, press on enter button to search for it. And then you will be taken to the official website of Amazon. Here ensure that you are logged in to your account. Once logged in, you will land on this home page. Now in this page at the top right, you'll be able to see the cart icon. Simply click on it and by doing so, you will be taken to your cart page. Now here you'll be able to see the items that you have added to your cart. From here scroll to find the item that you'd like to delete. And once you find the item you'd like to delete, you'll be able to see the delete option within the product information. Simply click on the delete option and then you will see you have successfully deleted or removed the items from your cart. If you'd like to delete all of them, then simply click on the delete button manually in order to remove the items from your cart. And then you will see you have successfully removed all the items from your cart. So by following these steps, you should be able to remove items from your cart on Amazon. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.